What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Bantu knot out tutorial. You guys have been requesting that I do more natural hair tutorials, so I figured why not do a tutorial of one of the styles that I absolutely am. I'm not going to say the best like in the world, but my Bantu knot out skills are immaculate because I've practiced it over the years. I kind of dwindled away from it, but I'm going to go back to it because it allows my hair to be in a stretched state naturally without any heat, even though I will be applying heat today because I will be drying my hair underneath the dryer. Hope you guys can see it because the sun is kind of weird right now. But I just used the Miel Moisture RX on this section to do a first impression and demo. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave it in the iCards above, and I'll also drop it in the description box if I can remember. But yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to start on detangled hair, and I'm going to split this section into two and do a 2-strand twist. Now, if you want to accomplish the most definition, in my personal opinion, 2-strand twisting is the best option. It's going to give you more definition. It's going to elongate your Bantu knots more. But after this, it's going to be the same method that you typically would see with a Bantu knot out. So you want to make sure that you keep the end smooth. Very, very smooth, you guys. If you have to use a rat tail comb, do that. So we're going to twist all the way down. Okay, so after you do the 2-strand twist, you want to keep twisting because you want the twist to be extremely close to your scalp. And you're going to basically twirl the hair around until you create a knot, and then you keep twisting around that knot. That's simple as that, you guys. So this is the final result, but I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and then I'll come back and show you guys the results, so stay tuned.